Inspect the accessories. Display all the accessories. Instrument installation. Install the power code. Insert the power code into the instrument power interface and turn on the power. The switch is located next to the power interface. When the switch is turned on, the blue side breathing light. Installation of USB data cable. Insert one end of the USB cable into the USB port on the tablet end. Insert the other end of USB data cable into the outmost USB port on the instrument. Installation of tablet power code. Insert the power code interface into the second circular interface of the tablet. Turn on the power, and the tablet will start up. Open the O1 Skin Analysis application. Upon entering the login page, new users should first click on Quick Registration. You can also switch between 16 languages independently in the bottom right corner and choose as needed. Enter your email and password and click to log in. Enter the main interface of the Skin Analyzer. Click on AI Shoot. New customer create profile. Enter member information in sequence. Click on Read and agree to user privacy consent. And click Create Now to enter the skin testing interface. Before taking photos, wrap a black blackout shower around the customer's chest, color up the customer's hair, and use hair clips or hair pins to ensure that there is no hair covering the face. Capture feature angles of 180 degrees and select the left front or right face according to customer's needs. Key points for front face photography. Place your chin in the center of the chin rest. Press your forehead against to the forehead rest and observe on tablet whether your nose is aligned with the middle of your nose. Press the top of the instrument and the instrument light shield will automatically to pop out, completely covering the head. Click the blue photo button below. Start facial image collection and waiting for voice prompts to end the photo taking process. After uploading the image, the AI algorithm will automatically to quantify it. And once the analysis is completed, it will automatically to enter the report analysis interface. Spectrum image. Multi-spectrum image analysis. White light detect the wrinkles, epidermal pigmentation, pores, acne, skin tone. Positive polarization light detects indicators such as sebum and skin texture. Negative polarization light detects black hands sensitivities. UV light detects UV acne, buffering. Ooze light detects indicators such as deep pigments and fluorescent agent. Red pigment map detects several damage to the deep layer of the skin, with darker colors indicating more severe skin lesions. Heat map detects inflammation in the deep layer of the skin. Red represents severe inflammation. Yellow means moderate. Green means mild. Blue means normal. Surface layer. AI algorithm quantifies 9 skin surface problems. Sebum T-zone. The yellow area represents the quantified area of sebum secretion. The darker the yellow color, the more sebum secretion, and the lighter the color, the less sebum secretion. Sebum U-zone, same as the explanation and the sebum T-zone. Test the display of sebum quantification result. For example, excessively abundant sebum. Wrinkles. RGB white light capture visible wrinkles to the naked eye. The green layer area is the wrinkle quantification area. Expect for indicators such as sebum, UV acne, buffering, red pigment map, heat map, and moisture. The higher the quantitative score, the meaner and better the skin problem. While the lower the score, the more severe of the skin problem. Dark spots, visible to the naked eye. The green marked area is the quantified area. Pores, black circle are a quantitative representative of a large pores. Black hands, the blue area represents the quantified area of black hands.
Acne identify acne with different colored identification boxes. cases, green box comedones, acne scars, and some cases of rosacea, yellow box papules and inflammatory acne, orange box papules and pustular acne, red box cysts and nodular acne.
Skin tone, translucent fair, uneven, dull, swarthy. Sensitivity, areas of redness, blood streaks, and acne scars of the surface. Deep layer detection, AI algorithm quantifies 7 indicators of deep skin. Texture, area with uneven texture and lines connect those represent fine lines on the skin, indicating a lack of hydration and collagen. Comparison, texture and surface wrinkles can be compared for viewing. Pigmentation, the lowest layer of pigmentation on the skin, characterized by black spots and lumps. Comparison, pigments and the epidermal pigmentation can be compared for viewing. UV acne, bright red fluorescent dots represent the quantitative manifestation of acne, and higher the content of acne, the more vigorous the growth of the skin microbiota. The higher the quantified score, the less UV acne on the skin, and the lower the scores, the more UV acne on the skin. Comparison of UV acne and surface skin condition. Puffering, bright white fluorescent dots represent the quantitative expression of pufferings, which are metabolic of bacterial communities in pores. The higher the contact of puffering, the easier it may be for bacteria to grow, which also represent pore skin cleanliness. The higher the quantification score, the less skin puffering, and the lower the score, the more skin puffering. Red pigment map view the deep sensitivity of the skin, acne scars, skin lesions, and red blood streaks distinguished by color, with pink and white area represent normal. Deep red and dark red areas represent several skin lesions. Comparison, the degree of skin damage can be compared by using a red pigment map and a negative polarized light sensitivity image. Heat map observe the inflammation of the skin, and areas with high hemoglobin level represent inflammation. Distinguish the severity of inflammation by different colors. Blue means normal, green means mild, yellow means moderate, red means heavy. Comparison, compare the severity of deep inflammation and the superficial skin lesions. Fluorescent agent, through light detection and visual analysis, the appearance of white flakes on the face represent fluorescent agent. Firstly, turn on the blue T switch on the tablet, and then turn on the switch on the moisture pen. The moisture pen will display a green indicator light. Once the tablet display is successfully connected, you can remove the cover of the moisture separation pen and touch the skin for testing. After successful detection, numerical values will be displayed on the tablet. The smaller the value, the lower the skin moisture content, and the larger the value, the higher the skin moisture content. A skin moisture content of 40% is normal, while the moisture content below 40% is considered dehydrated. Aging prediction, similar and predict the aging status of the skin in the next 5 to 10 years and compare it with the status chart after product care, giving customers a sense of crisis. You can slide the process bar left and right to view. Report, customer basic information, comprehensive indicators, skin scores, the better the skin condition. Trend chart of skin scores change at different times. Skin report and nursing suggestions, recommended nursing plans. Recommended products can be uploaded through the backend management platform. For specific operation details, please refer to the backend management platform operation document. You can scan the QR code on your mobile phone to view the comprehensive report. Any application with scanning function can scan it, or enter through the backend website on your computer to view the skin test report, or print the report through the backend. Archive management. Existing clients can search for member information by phone number or name, and their photos will be taken through archive management. By selecting the customer, you can view the skin test records or enter the intelligent skin test interface to taking photos. Enter comparative analysis. Verify the efficacy of the product and the project by comparing the change in nursing before and after nursing and the treatment through the image. When comparing, you can use brushes, grids, and zooming to compare points. After drawing, if you don't need it, you can just delete it. Account center, single item pre-adjustment adjustment. It can modify the customer's single item detection indicator data for adjusting the preview set of data before taking photos, which can be used for comparative analysis. Hide settings. Skin analysis indicators that do not need to be detected can be hidden. Check for updates. Update immediately. Promote for new version. Click upgrade. Enjoy lifetime free upgrades when purchasing. Account settings. Change password. You can change the account password by following the prompts in sequence. Log out. Log out of account and you can close the application.